The market daily visualization for June 9th, 2026, Canada Tortoise Capital. This is SPY on daily bars. We're going to adjust the daily stop. We can get rid of this thing first. We're going to adjust the daily price action. The 5 made a new low today, so we slide that to a new 5-day low. Move the 10-day box. That made a new 10-day low today. Moving the 10-period regression. Adjusting the 30-period SMA right there. Adjust the reference intersection of those two right to here. The 1-day high, the 1-day low. That's the 10-day low again. The 150-day range box. The 30-period range box. The 30-period low is adjusted. This little reference is to the support level at the little dip in the RL10 right there. That's the next target to the downside. Man, this is getting ugly. The 20-period regression line with a 10-day lag is adjusted. So you can see days 30 to day 10, nothing, what could go wrong? The last 10 days, that could go wrong. The 120-day regression line is adjusted. Now let's, we're going to adjust the price down to here. And there we go. This is still right in the crosshairs. What a day that was. That was 60% of the 10-day range was encountered today with a great big sell-off and a great big recovery. Trader's delight. Keep your risk measured and your powder